Hey guys, good morning. Got a 2019 Kubota with the headlights not working. Gonna come over to this switch, pop it out. You can just pry it out and you see I turn it on and the ignition is on and the headlights are not working. Gonna go ahead and I've already removed these two Phillips head screws on the back of this plate, and we will just pop it apart and you'll see the copper contacts. So right here, these two on the switch side have a spring under them and they should bounce when you press on them. The plate side has these copper contacts and they were corroded. So I took some fine grit sandpaper, sanded them to make them shiny again on both sides, the switch and the plate. I'm going to spray it with a little bit of strike hold. It's a protector and a lubricant, hopefully to keep it from corroding down the road. So I put the switch back together this first time and it did not work because the spring underneath the copper contact on the switch side was kind of mashed down, so it did not have enough bounce in that contact to keep them together. So when I turned it on, it didn't work. So I pulled it back apart. I'm prying this out with a little flathead, this little contact, and you'll see that I pull you just pop that right out. I pull the spring out underneath and just give the spring a little stretch. Make it work again. Put it back in there and then put the copper contact back on top of it, and this thing works exactly like it should. This whole thing is probably a 5-minute, maybe give or take, little fix. Just put these two Phillips heads back in, snap your switch back in, and you're good to go. So Kubota wants, I can't remember, maybe 75 to 100 bucks for this headlight switch. I've had tractors with the same switch, headlights not working. Any type of Kubota or side-by-side with a switch like this, most of the time the copper contacts are just corroded, worn a little bit. Just take it apart, sand them down, put some grease on there, some dielectric grease and lubricant, and put it back together. You're good to go. So headlights are working just like they should, nice and bright. Tried it out a few times, nothing to it. So if you like this video, if it helped you out, please subscribe. Stay tuned.